To better understand the importance of numerical simulation, we will have a look at an example. This is the oyster aquaculture system installed in the Belgian pilot. The cultivation system consists of dropper's rope, baskets, and cages. The system is anchored to the seabed and held together by a combination of chain, shown in red, and rope, shown in teal color. We are now looking at a single wave component, propagating in a positive x direction. Below the surface, water particles are moving in a circular motion, with certain velocities and accelerations. These wave kinematic quantities are influencing the motion of a floating structure, as we observe it now. By understanding the motion due to the wave actions, we can calculate the forces acting on our aquaculture system. These simulation outputs are part of the key exploitable results in this project.